and hence the
Ka
project was
Sorkar
stopped
jala
there.
kala shimya ka rai ban
After
pan
the
klanya ki
government
nongrim
today came
jongka
out with the
kenang
new
ban pan
rules
tikna
and
bagi
new
Jingkieng
policy
Jri
for
ni living root bridges ki nyorung haka thopum ki World Heritage Site. Kum taru na kalyang ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar jala kala ay ka jingman jorya ki amendment jongka Meghalaya Heritage Act 2025 haka jingalang bala penyai da menteri rangba ka jala ukonrat ki sangma
and
haka
hence
sauter
the
jilio.
project got stuck there.
Habakren
After
sakilap thai
the
kubor
government
hadin
today
ka
came out
jingalang
with the new
ukonrad
rules
ulaong
and the new
kathong ka
policy for
bakong
the pump
santam jong ka
storage
dik
near the
amendment jong
projects,
Meghalaya Heritage
the
Act
group
kalong ban penrong ya ka ei ka bangi khot living heritage ni ki jingtei jong ubarim ya kanela le kat kum ki jingtho jongi balapha shaka UNESCO bakan penbana no ek jingking jri kum ki World Heritage Site bat mangi ban nang pen khlani ki dongrim ngila pen klaya la ka jong ka Meghalaya Heritage Act ban penrong ki kindon ki ban penbana ya ki jingtei jong ubarim ki baim living
and
heritage
hence
kum ki
the
jingking
project got
jri
stuck
kum
there.
shibanta na ki jaka ba
After
a
the
jingada
government of today
uloong
came out with the new
Nalor
rules
kata
and the
umentri
new
rangba
policy for
upente
the
baka
pump storage
Sorkar kala
near the
rai ru ban
projects,
pelat no ya ka
the
jingthiet ya ki
group felt
jaka
that it was
ni
not
long
viable for
try ki
them to go
jaka
ahead,
badan ki
even if
jingtei
they
ubarim
deemed
ki
it
baim
viable to go ahead
ladai ki dei
with
ki
the pump
belong try
storage
da ki
there.
shnong ki thau
And hence
ne
we
ka
were
im lang
back to
salang
square one. And
Ngila rai
here
ha ka
we are
kunhun
now
menteri baka
at a juncture
heritage
where
act
we
ka
have to
barim
take a decision
kidon ki kindon
that
badan
let
kam
us
ya ka
go ahead with the
Sorkar
whole
ban
project.
hap thiet ki
The
jaka
issue in front
la
of
ni ki
us
nong
was
kenti bakan
how
pen
we
bana
move
kum ki
forward.
jaka ban
And the
a
cabinet
jingada
felt very strongly that
Menta
Chief
ngila penrong
Secretariat
ya ka ni ka benta ka
has been
baong
working
baka
with
Sorkar
the
kala
law
ban pelaj
because
ya
of
ka
the change in
jingthiet
the
ki
scope
jaka
of work
ne shimti ki
and the
jaka badan ki
viability not
jingtei jong
matching the
ubarim
original
lada ki dei
plans.
ki belong try da ki
They
shnong ki
had
thau ne
not
ka
moved
im lang
ahead.
salang ka ba
The
mut
cabinet
bakam long
felt
kong
that
san shu
we
baka
should go ahead
Sorkar
with
kan
Ethanol
hap thiet ki
and
jaka la ni
sign
ban
an
long try
MOU again
lamar
with
ka
them
dei ka
with the
bala long
original
try da ki
project.
shnong ki thau ne ka im lang salang ula benram
The main purpose of the Meghalaya Heritage Act 2012 amendment is to incorporate what we call living heritage. This is being done in line with our submission to the UNESCO for the living root bridges to be declared as World Heritage Site. And for us to be able to strengthen our case further, we are amending our own Meghalaya Heritage Act to incorporate provisions that would make living heritage, like the Living Root Bridge, also part of what we also consider as heritage. So that's the most important part. Second aspect which we have decided in the cabinet today is that in the earlier Heritage Act that had come out, there were clauses that required the government to purchase the land or purchase the particular property for it then to be further declared as a heritage location or to further act on different aspects of this act. Now we have inserted a clause which says that government may, however, exempt acquisition of land or possession of the living heritage sites provided the same is vested with the community or society, which means that it is not going to be mandatory for government to acquire or to have ownership of that as long as it is owned by the community and the society.